I give me 30 seconds. I share the screen. Be a bit formal. Here I share the screen. I hope you all can see me now. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see the screen, Ishika?
Yes, sir.
Yogita, Ishika, Harsh, all should be able to see the screen. Acha, these are something called 1 Minute Manager series. There's a very smart author, Ken Blanchard. It used to be 99 rupees only. Now it's going to 250, whatever, because a lot of value. I don't know whether you would see the book or not. It is in my holding in my hand. But since I'm using a wall, okay, it's a very thin book, very thin, very thin. Anybody can just sit in a metro, or he's going in by air somewhere, or wherever he's going to Nainital or wherever. He can just open it up. I can give you guarantee you can finish within 30 minutes, maximum 1 hour. There's a lovely quotes why you should on coaching. It could be on 1 minute, little book of apology, little book of I'll see say you other names. So what could be the other names? Just wait. 1 minute salesperson. It's equal to full MBA. Put 1 minute manager to work. Raving fans. Go Gango, very nice. I'm lying at my place. Big bucks again. 1 minute Ken Blanchard series. High five. Leadership by the book. The 1 minute apology. I'm repeating the 1 minute golfer who wants to play golf or not. This is little book on coaching, motivating people to be winners. I have my own content, I have my own theories, I have my own experience, but I still need to read. I can mix my experience with other kind of a content which is already available. But nothing like your own storytelling, your own experiences. Now, for God's sake, keep recording your experiences somewhere in your computer, here and there, so that you can also inspire when you become a bit older, you finish your BBAs, right? My legal business students, so you got to be a bit multifaceted. So to review it, I'm just reviewing a book. Let's say I go to a page number. Actually, he gives a quote, COACH, a lovely acronym. Acronym means like if I say GSK and I say go and succeed with your karma, then G for go, S for go and succeed with your karma. I'm Gurbir Singh Khera. So this is an acronym. Well, you can make it anything very interesting. Similarly, he gives a very good coach acronym. In that coach acronym, whatever, if I give you everything, then I'm killing the copyright of the book. I can only review for 4 and 5 minutes so that you feel like reading it, you feel like picking it up from Amazon or wherever, or you want to download on Kindle. Coach to win. So C can be conviction, overlearning, A for audible, ready, consistency, honesty. Lovely chapters in the book. So here I go to this one page. He talks about failures, then he start writing about it. So I'm reading you a quote from the book only. This I'm promoting, nothing promoting. I'm giving you a value. If this book sells, I don't get even 5 paisa. Don't worry, I'm not doing any marketing here with you. Now I read a page from a lovely quote. How you rebound from a setback speaks volumes about who you are. At this young age also, like Shubham went to Dubai, came back, took an admission in Khera Mangalam. He took immediate decision. He's adaptable. His thinking is nimble or whatever. He will pick up a lot of good words when he reads this book. I hope he's there. Spursh is already there. How you rebound from a setback speaks volumes about who you are. Then he writes a very good article. I read another page. I've just marked with this red these pages when I'm talking to you. So it's not your course book. You'll be excited to learn. I know the psychology. Similarly, you can read your course books also. If your enemy is superior, I'm repeating, if your enemy is superior, evade him. If David will ignore him. If your enemy is superior, evade him. If angry, irritate him. If equally matched, then fight. If not, retreat and reevaluate. Such a powerful word. You can use in your PPTs. Read a theory. You doing your assignments. How much different you will look from others. You will feel like distinguishing yourself. That is what branding is all about. Yeah. Now this book you see in a blue color. This cover. With this cover. If content didn't match with the cover, I would have never been reviewing this book. So whatever cover is saying, even content is matching with this cover. And you are also cover for your jobs tomorrow. So you should have something extra in you. That is why I'm giving you some value, because certain students are very regular and asking me, sir, tell me what book. So why not make it a class also? Immediately after that, we'll go through my own subject. Such a lovely thing I'm doing with you. So get inspired. Every class I can review one book for you. Or batao, in case I'm inspired. Now I read another page. To be successful, all you have to do is work half days. You can work the first 12 hours, like Ishika Shaw, or you can work or the second 12, like GS Khera. So you can focus on first 12 hours or you can focus other 12 hours. So it is all Then lovely description in that goes with the same acronym, coach. Right? So it's a lovely book. Coaching. What else I should read it for? Character is the sum total of what you believe and how you act. What is a character? It is the sum total of what you believe and how you act. How beautifully written. And there's a lovely example in the right hand side. Your attitude makes all the difference. You all know your attitude makes all the difference. In the end, you won't. Your degrees will not give you jobs. It is only give you an entry point. If you want to sustain yourself, you got to be different. Got to be passion in you. Otherwise, you lose the game. So I am repeating for you again. How you rebound from setback, matlab failure, speaks volumes about who you are. Then what is a coaching? Coaching is different from training. Coaching is a very smart word, right? So I did go through my own trainings also, like in 2017, which I used to discuss in the classes. Now, any questions you have, let my screen smaller. You go to our business law sessions. Any questions from your side, Yogita,
Yes,
Ishika?
sir.
Or did you appreciate this experiment for 5 minutes? I don't want to exceed 5 minutes. I've exceeded 5 minutes. Then I need to be careful next time. How
No,
much?
sir.
Uh,
It is within 5 minutes. So thank you for discovering this great book to us.
put your video on, Ishika, if you could, then talk.
Of
You
course.
have your own memorable video for yourself. You can watch later. Can you put your video on? It is impossible.
It is on, I guess.
Oh, lovely. See how good you
Okay.
look. Everybody's so happy saying hello to you. All your students, your peers are so happy. Say hello to everybody in the class. We are in a different mode at the moment, not a boring mode, that class mode. We are in a workshop mode. I change very fast. You don't know my other qualities. Say hello to all.
Hello, all. So I have
Uh,
a question for you.
say special hello to Sparsh and Shubham, new students.
Hello, Sparsh. Hello, Shubham.
You want to talk? Say something, Ishika. Please.
Yeah, it was nice for you to discover such a good book. So I would like to know how one can coach their own self.
Absolutely, absolutely. What a beautiful thought. Before coaching other, we don't know discipline ourselves. We don't have those attributes which we are trying. Because example is better than if you don't have a good example. If you say ask other person not to smoke and you are yourself smoking, so it is dangerous. People will not believe in you. You have to create an identity, right? First, you have to create. Yes, you deserve to say what you are trying to say. You have to create an identity. That is very important in coaching. Whatever you have to. If somebody want to coach about finance, so you should be good at finance. If he shows about marketing, he should have proved himself or herself. You want to be a different kind of a coach. You want to make people come out of depressions and whatnot. Like very recently, I suddenly recall LSR student committed suicide because didn't have money to buy a laptop. It was there in the news. It was so strange. Such a lovely college. She didn't have money to buy a laptop, online classes. She couldn't have the broadband money. So somehow college didn't give me that money. Being under UGC, whatnot, I'm not blaming any college. She lost her life. Had she would have talked to Ishika Shaw for 2 minutes, she would have been living today. Such a lovely student, such a good college. You can't get admission in LSR like this. So this is a latest case. You can say in a newspaper, type in a newspaper. It was day before yesterday's news. Very sad news. Yeah. So coaching, you're self-coaching. You need somebody to talk to, and there is always a framework when somebody coaches you. There is a framework how to start, how to an end. You only ask questions. In coaching, you don't say, "Oh, I feel so sad that your mother is not there. I feel so sad you don't have money." He will get irritated. That is not coaching. Coaching is something you only ask questions. You only by talking you change his thoughts. Okay, you can do this. There's more possibilities in life. See what this guy did this thing. It's only talking to 2 minutes and 3 minutes. You don't need to pay a lot of money. Just talk to somebody for 2 to 3 minutes and you can change the way he looks like. That is what coaching is all about. Right? Thank you, Ishika. Any other thing you want to ask? And you promised me
No,
you'll
sir,
buy
it was
this book and
great.
read it. You'll buy this book and read it, right?
Yeah,
It will
obviously, I'd like to borrow it from you.
bilkul. You can borrow it. I'll courier it to you free of cost. You send me your address, I'll courier it to you. It's
Sure.
such a small favor. I'll call the PDF 100% it will be lying free on somewhere. People who are very smart like Spursh, but nothing like had a good book in your hand and flipping the pages. The kind of feel you get it, amazing feel you get it. People still go to cinema halls. Yes and no.
Yeah.
They don't see all
Yeah.
movies on Netflix. Nothing like going to cinema hall, buying a popcorn, feeling great about it, getting out of your home, getting ready. So certain traditional things cannot suddenly go away, right? That's a perfect example. Chalo, tata, bye bye, Ishika. Now we'll go to the business law class. I kill this recording. This idea impromptu, no preparation required. I just wanted to inspire you all. Next time, 2 minutes. Every time I will review a book with you all. Jisko jo book pasand hai, as per their capabilities, as per their interests, they can pick it up and read it. Then I'm doing my job thoroughly and happily, and I'm also inspired talking to you then. Okay, stop the recording, then I do a fresh recording for your business law.